Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to integrate Jira to Salesforce. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To get started, the initial step is navigating to the left panel in your Jira dashboard. From there, you'll need to click on Apps and then click on Explore More Apps. This is your gateway to a plethora of apps and plugins that can be integrated into your Jira environment. Once you're in, type Connector for Salesforce and Jira into the search bar. It's important to take your time during this step. Make sure to select the right connector, ideally one that's official or carries strong reviews. Once found, click on it and proceed with the installation. With the installation complete, find the connector for Salesforce and Jira from your list of apps. Clicking on it will present a configuration option. Here, you'll need to select Connections. As you enter the Connection section, look to the top right corner for the Add Connection button. This is where you begin setting up a new connection. You'll be asked to name your connection, and it's a good idea to pick something descriptive. Next, you will choose your Salesforce environment. Depending on your current situation, you'll select either Production or Sandbox. Now, it's time to click on Authorize. This will lead you through the authorization process, where you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. Just follow the prompts, input your credentials when prompted, and double-check everything to ensure a smooth connection. And there you have it. So that is how you can integrate Jira to Salesforce. So that's all for this video. Thanks.